How to install Visual Studio Code command line. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Visual Studio Code command line tool, also known as the code command, so you can open files, folders directly from your terminal. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Visual Studio Code on your device. After that, click on search bar and open Visual Studio Code. You will see this page. Then you have to press Command plus Shift plus P to open the command palette. Now type shell command and click enter. Now the shell command will be installed successfully. For Windows user, if you have already installed VS Code, you may need to reinstall or modify the installation through the setup file to enable the code command. Open command prompt and type CSS code. If VS Code opens, you are all set. And that's it. This is how you can install Visual Studio Code command line. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.